Hey everyone, welcome back to another video with me and another special friend. Say hello.
Hello, everybody.
I saved. We were waiting for a bit. Here, Brian, why don't you look at the chest?
Oh, yes.
Pick one.
Right. Oh, yeah.
We spawned with that. Now pick one.
Pick one?
Pick one, then I can pick one. Did you pick one? It's a hard choice.
Oh, that one.
I'm going this one.
Okay, I called it that helmet.
Saddle.
Horse armor.
Goods.
You suck. Oh, no, I'll take the iron boots then.
We each get 2 more things. The same thing, so.
Yep.
Protection. Great gun. Pick one.
I'll still touch shovel.
I get the mending shovel.
I'll get this chest plate.
Right. Alright, so you want to know what I have?
Yep.
Alright, I have a Protection 3 diamond chest plate. A Death Strider 3 and Mending 1 boots. A diamond sword with Unbreaking 3 and Fire Artifice 2 with Knockback 2. Saddle. Iron chest plate with Projectile Protection, I think that's 10. And Breaking 3 and Iron Shovel, Unbreaking 3, Fortune 3, Mending 1.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. You can take the chest.
Yeah, I'm taking it.
Wow, we are so lucky.
Yeah.
Well, anyway, guys, we got carried away. So this is a new quest we're doing by ourselves, and it's called TrollCraft. You guys can already guess what we're going to be doing by the title. Yeah. So what?
I still don't understand what TrollCraft even means. I'm sorry.
You have a lot to learn, child. Now let's go.
Don't call me a child.
You are a child.
Whatever. Okay, so basically we need to make a base, make a little house, and
Yes.
we also need food. Is that a black sheep?
That is a cow. That is a cow, and I want it.
This gray sheep right
Cow!
Okay, I need a sword, though, because you got the good sword.
You can kill with your iron shovel.
No,
It's 3 attack damage.
What, the shovel?
Yep.
Ah,
Mine is,
nice.
but... And my diamond sword is 7 attack, but plus all the others. I love a little pond. And by the way, guys, the game updated recently, and there's new animations for swimming. We both love it, and I'm going to go find a dolphin. I figured out how to tame them. Yeah, here, Brian.
That pig, too, that you're after.
Pig! Pig.
Called the chicken.
Yep.
Ooh, you can go find dolphins. I want to see if I can find a village or something.
Oh, I'm gonna go find a shipwreck.
Oh, yeah. You can do that.
I'm random. We're both operating. You're not an operator. I'll turn you on right now. Not a member. Operator. There. Hot. So, guys, main objective of this game is to get a vase, go to the end, defeat the Ender Dragon, and oh no, that's and we'll make it up as we go. So yeah.
So basically, this is kind of like quest to kill the Ender Dragon.
Basically, yeah. By the way, this video only goes on for 15 minutes. Has a limited time. And guys, if you want to know what the swimming animation looks like, Calabunga. But you drowned a lot faster, and I hate it.
Yeah, I hate that too. Ow!
But
I'm in the hole.
Great going. And by the way, if you're wondering, our voices might be a bit off with recording sessions, but we are both girls. Don't think anything else or I will slaughter you in your sleep. Okay, back to the video.
Oh god. I think you went a little bit too far on that.
Nope, I'm good. So we are doing a few episodes. We just finished Fractured Island.
Fractured World.
Island, alright? Don't mock your queen. Okay, and we just finished the first episode of that. You should go check it out. I'll leave a link in the description. I found a pond. We are living in the place. If I find a pond, we are living near the pond. And I don't care. And I don't care what you people say. We're living near the pond.
What if I find a village, though?
Good point. You know what? We'll find more ponds later. And guys, as you saw in the chest, we spawned with some really good loot.
Mm-hmm.
But it was a harassment getting in the server without crashing.
Yeah.
Because I had the server up, I had a few resource packs and behavior backs on. And, Brian could have downloaded them. So yeah. I had to take everything off.
That really sucked.
And Love Star just found a ravine and you're coming with me.
Oh, me?
Yeah.
I'm running right now, so...
Why are you running?
Because I'm just sprinting.
Dang it, I can't get up here. Oh my god.
You can teleport me, though, if you want.
Wait. Okay. Oh, oops. Wrong thing! Well, at least it wolf there. Yay, wolvers!
Yeah.
Black sheep, must die. Don't hit the wolf, by the way.
Where are the wolves?
Can't you hear them?
No.
Wow.
Oh, there's a wolf right there.
Yeah, there's like
a couple black sheep.
Kill every mob in here.
You made my game really
Oh, I'm sorry. I just killed a wolf.
It's a big sheep.
At least there's food for galore.
Yeah, food galore.
Oh my god, I have already 18 cooked mutton.
Oh my god.
Die! Cooked, yes. Die! Fennel. I am slowly, and I have 16 pieces of wool.
Kill another wolf.
They keep dropping in front of my face. It's not my fault. Why do they keep dropping? That's my question. Are they raining? Are they raining cats and dogs?
God, Wolfie.
Black sheep!
Almost raining.
I just killed the black sheep. Oh my god. I already did. I want to kill... We have to kill the horse because...
Watch it, Wolfie. Watch it.
Stand for... Baby pig. Kill the salmon.
I can't kill it. Oh, I got it now.
No one likes piggies.
No one likes piggies. What about the wolf? Should we just leave him down here?
Shall we or shall we not?
Oh. You gave me 60... Oh, God.
Be mine!
Oh, you suck.
Question is how we get out of here.
Just swim up the waterfall.
My wolf will die.
No, it won't. Look, I'm swimming up there. Oh, ow. I'm swimming up here so easily.
Yeah. It's gonna be hard for me. I'm on PC. But I swim really quickly is the thing.
Yeah. Okay, that's a difficult way to get up there. Okay, let's try this.
Look at me. I'm flying. Oh, crap.
Let's go.
Wow. I was flying. I have 18 wool. I'll tell you how much food I have when I get out of here.
It's a cow. It's not a wolf.
By the way, Mom's out. I have to use wool to get myself out of here. I still have 7 pieces. Okay, I'm out.
Alright, I'm coming now. I might be.
Make sure not to teleport all the entities. Teleport just you.
Oh. I almost walked back off the edge, didn't I?
Yeah, you did. Great. Wait. Okay, you want to see how much food I have?
Yep.
I have 10 cooked chicken, 4 raw mutton, 16 cooked pork chop, 5 cooked beef, 24 cooked mutton, 2 raw pork chops, and 2 raw beef, and 7 wool, 6 feathers, brown wool, salmons, and all of that stuff.
Wow. Okay, I have 15 raw mutton, 11 raw pork chops, 5 raw chicken, and 4 uncooked beef. I have 5 cooked mutton, 1 cooked chicken, 7 cooked steak, and 4 cooked pork chops.
Oh, God. We have lots of good stuff. I don't understand how you got the... Wait, I think I killed the things and you got the cooked stuff from it. I found another piggy. Die!
Die. You almost hit your wolf.
Yeah, I saw that. That's why I stopped. Wolfie, attack piggy. Now. Why won't you listen? Swear to God. I'm about to say, I swear to...
Glitch, that's a glitch, glitch. Stop glitching.
I was about to say, I swear to God, if you hit my wolf, I'm gonna hit you with the sword.
I'm glitched, help!
I'll hit you. See if that works.
No, your dog will come after me.
Oh, yes, I forgot that. Nope, sit down. Sit, boy. Let's see. It doesn't come after you. I don't...
Yeah, I'm just breaking dirt.
Don't break the dirt!
Yeah, I'm fixed now.
I'm saying.
Should we wrap up here? Because I gotta go.
Alright. So, guys, what should we call this episode? Your rhyme? Gonna be a
You almost told me about my real name. She loves time.
Yeah, it is. It's gonna be a hassle for me to not do that.
Yeah, I don't blame you, but we can just call it our Quest to the Ender Dragon.
Yep. Well, thanks guys for watching, and we'll see you we'll see you tomorrow.